Wow, what are you eating early?
I'm just like avocado.
Wow, egg. Good job. You want rice?
I don't want
Juice lang. Diet ka?
What
Walang
juice?
rice. Very good to ah. Good job. Yummy?
That your juice.
Juice? Okay.
Don't like your juice. Don't
Tapos
like
na maligo ka na
juice.
ha?
Juice.
Lakas na na.
Nani Henry.
Wow, yummy. Ah. Ano ka?
This.
Uy, grabe talaga. Lakas kumain eh. Good job. Yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Ganito eh.
Yummy. Yes, juice.
Juice.
Yes, juice. Nanay,
Kay kuya yan. Bakit ka nakahubad?
kupata kayong kami.
Bakit ka nga nakahubad?
Kupata kayong kami.
Ba't mo nga hinubad?
Kupata kayong kami.
Okay. Purple. Ma-oily na yung kamay mo. You want more?
No more egg.
No more egg, but you want more juice?
I don't want juice.
Oh, sige. Finish mo na yung egg mo. Iurong mo dito kasi baka mahulog.
Now, eat.
Mahuhulog?
No, eat.
Tignan mo. Oh, madulas. Sige na, kain na. Gusto mo na yun. Oh. Konti-konti lang. Baka mabulunan ka. Oh, no. Oh. Slowly lang, anak. Slowly. Tingnan mo. Yung nasa mouth mo, may laman pa. Lagyan mo na. Susuka-suka ka na eh.
No more egg.
No more egg nga eh. Inubos mo na eh. Ligo na ikaw ah.
Kain ako.
Kapunasan ng hen mo. Punasan ng hen mo. Yummy?
Yummy
Good
egg.
job. Oh. Gusto mo pa? Juice?
After.
Tsaka water? You want water?
Don't want juice.
Good job. Thumbs up na. Ready? Thumbs up. Say thumbs up. Bye guys. Say bye.
No.
Babay ka na dito.
Amor at nai.
No more egg na nga eh. Kaya nga magbabay ka na. Finish na po. Bye! Bye guys!
Ako yung kiss.